A warm greeting. Today is Thursday, the 1st of June, 2023. This is meteorologist Ruben Garcia speaking. At the time of recording this video, it is 6 p.m. local time in the eastern United States. As you know, today marks the official beginning of the 2023 hurricane season in the Atlantic region. And what a way to start the season with the formation of the second tropical depression of the 2023 hurricane season, which just formed at 5 p.m. just south of Florida. So, this is associated with what was Invest 91 Liters, which we have been talking about for several days through this YouTube channel. And as I indicated to you during the morning hours, the system was showing signs of development. In the morning hours, the National Hurricane Center increased the development probabilities to 50%, and then at 2 p.m., they increased it to 70% within 48 hours. But the first Hurricane Hunter aircraft mission of this year investigated the area and found that this disturbance had acquired enough organization to be classified as the second tropical depression of the season. So, officially, the second cyclone of this hurricane season has formed, and it is anticipated that over the next 24 hours, as it moves southeast over the Gulf of Mexico, it will strengthen slightly and become Tropical Storm Arlene. As we approach the visible satellite image, we can clearly see the circulation associated with this tropical cyclone. Additionally, we see that the southwestern and southern quadrants of the circulation remain exposed, which are indications that dry air and wind shear are affecting this system from the southwest. So, these conditions will not allow for significant strengthening. According to the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center, this cyclone will reach a maximum intensity of a tropical storm with winds of 40 miles per hour. In fact, in the next water vapor image, we can see these reddish colors, which represent dry air that will be affecting this cyclone over the next 36 to 48 hours. This, along with the wind shear, should dissipate this system just before it reaches regions in western Cuba. In general, the specialized trajectory models all agree on a predominantly southward movement, at least until Saturday or Sunday. The center of circulation should reach the Pinar del Rio sector in Cuba and then move northeast, passing very close to the south of the Florida Peninsula and over the northern region of the Bahamas. However, it is expected to dissipate before moving near Florida and the Bahamas. The intensity models also keep it quite weak, with the majority of them predicting it to reach only tropical storm strength, with winds between 40 to 50 miles per hour. According to the official forecast from the National Hurricane Center, we are expected to officially have Tropical Storm Arlene during tonight. It would maintain a southward trajectory at least until Saturday night, and then, in the early hours of Sunday morning, it is anticipated to dissipate when moving near or over the west of Cuba. So, in general, this system does not pose an imminent threat to any land area, and fortunately, conditions are not favorable for significant strengthening. Additionally, if the forecast holds, it will be moving over the waters of the Gulf of Mexico without affecting any countries as a tropical cyclone. When we look at the latest forecast from the ensemble members of the GFS model, the majority of them agree that it should be dissipating during Sunday hours. Although some of them keep it as a low-pressure system when moving over the northern region of the Bahamas. So, although very unlikely, in the Bahamas region, it is necessary to remain alert in case this system remains stronger than anticipated. However, at this time, the probability is extremely low. The most significant effects of this disturbance will be the rainfall expected over the state of Florida, as well as for regions in western Cuba. At the moment, for Florida, the central and southern areas are anticipating between 2 to 3 inches of rain over the next 3 days, and for the western region of Cuba, precipitation is estimated to be between 80 to 90 millimeters. So, in general, this rainfall should not cause major flooding, except for some localized areas that may experience higher accumulations without causing major issues. Furthermore, in terms of winds, the forecast from the GFS model maintains tropical storm force winds over the waters of the Gulf of Mexico, without impacting any land regions. Well, with this, I say goodbye, and that would be all for the preview of this video. Tomorrow, I will try to record a video discussing the updated forecast from the University of Colorado regarding the anticipated cyclonic activity for this year. So, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the red button below the video and then clicking the bell icon to receive notifications when I upload new videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to share and give it a thumbs up. I hope everyone has an excellent day.